Okay, this is Xiaomi 1S or Xiaomi MI scooter. This one has front tire puncture, so I'm gonna fix it. So to fix it, you have to first lift this.
Charlie is fixing a customer's bike, a Xiaomi 1S. Here we are changing a tyre.
Sticker out from there. You just poke from the side, like this. Sticker just like this. Remove it like this. Yeah.
Right.
Yeah. Just remove it. Yeah, you got 4 of them each side. So there you go. And the other side.
Doing this sort of thing will make you strong and confident.
Yeah. This is 18 ml.
Size 18, yeah, 18 mil.
Then hold this way, and then
18 millimeters. 18 mm.
18 mm. Just one side down, remove it. So same with the other side. Done it. There you go. And fold is easier, less messier. So this. Tire lifter. So now you can push to the side. Yeah. Push to both sides. And then just lift like this. So now just lift it. You can just pull this like this. Just hammer. Boom.
Just hammer. Boom!
This is 8.5 inch. Okay, so just push it in. There you go, there's a hole there. Sometimes it can get a bit tricky because sometimes the hole is too small, so the inner tube doesn't go in. Find something like this, just make slightly bigger. There you go. So now you should be able to push it in.
Push it in.
Come on, look there now.
Hello. I can see it.
Yeah.
Oh, there it is.
You find something extension to pump this, just put this in there so it's easier.
We like easier.
Yeah.
Make life easy.
Yeah. So that's the direction of travel. Can see this goes that way. So going this way. So yeah, direction of travel. Put this way through there.
Forward arrow.
Forward arrows. Yeah, there you go.
The chevrons.
So to make it easier to push it in.
On the road again.
This is what we use. We can buy this from Halford. Yeah. Just spray. There you go. And you need a tire lifter. Where's my tire lifter? Tire lifter. Make sure you don't pinch. Be gentle. Don't pinch it. Just have to be gentle.
Oh, don't pinch me.
See there now? All in.
Tease it in.
Yeah.
Don't get it caught between the tyre and the rim, because when you
Yeah,
pump
there
it
you go.
up, it will go
Make
bang.
sure it's all in. Look there. All in. Make sure all in.
All in.
Yeah, all in.
All
Just
aboard.
from there. Just use the leg. And then from here.
All aboard the night train. Charlie will be editing in the night train tonight.
So now, while you're fitting this, it's good to have 2 of this. So use the leg, one side, like this. Use the other from the other side. You actually don't need two, you can do with one actually. And then use the leg to hold this side. Nice.
Get a nice strong piece of footwear.
Yeah,
Good strong boots.
yeah, there you go.
Go
And
back
use the
strong
leg.
boot.
You can use the leg to push. You can see there, look there, leg, look. You can use the hand like this, but use the leg to push it in. There you go.
Perfect.
There you go, it's done. Just have a look. Make sure you look. Having a look, all talking.
A little look.
Yeah, a little look both
Get
sides.
a little look.
Yeah, all talking. Yeah, that's fine. So now you need to pump. It's about 45. That's what you need. And so this is the big one. This one there, like this.
On the 45.
There you go. It's a bit tricky here. If you see here, you can see 60. You will lose a bit of air, so you have to be very quick. So now, go that way. Very quick. 1, 2, 3, go!
Go!
Interestingly, so it's a bit too much now. Just release a little bit to make it about. Yeah? Yeah, I think this is about 45, 50. That's fine. That's it. Once done, push it there.
Compliments to the chef.
See now, 2 wash up on top goes.
10 press ups.
You can just, there you go.
How many press ups can you do, Charlie?
Minimum 500. You can do more if you want. There you go. Make this hand tight. Like hand tight. Okay, don't go overly tight. That's it. And find your little cap there. Put the cap in there. That's it.
Pop a cap in yo.
Put the sticker there.
How do you think you did, Charlie?
So there you go.
Did you do good?
Sometimes when you remove it, it doesn't get sticky. Make sure the dust is gone. You turn that like this.
Charlie's give it gold star.
There you go. Now just have a look. So you just replace the tire, switch it on, see if it's working. Can you see that it's moving? Look.
Wonderful.
That's it. That's the front tire down.
That is the front tyre done.